In the heart of a forgotten jungle lies a haunting tale where whispers of the past linger among the ancient trees and the ruins of a lost civilization beckon to those brave enough to explore their secrets. As night falls, an adventurous soul named Lucas embarks on an expedition to uncover the legends hidden deep within the jungle, driven by tales of treasures long lost and spirits that guard them fiercely. With each step deeper into the jungle, Lucas feels a chilling breeze whisper through the trees as the legends come to life, and he realizes he is not alone. The spirits of the jungle are watching, waiting. Following the map's cryptic clues, Lucas uncovers secrets of the temple's past, where echoes of laughter and warning intertwine, urging him to tread carefully in this realm of shadows. In that moment, surrounded by the lingering spirits of the fallen, Lucas grapples with the weight of their stories, feeling the intense connection between the living and the lost, igniting a desire to honor their memories.